Hello guys and welcome back to #Decor. Today as usual we have something new for you, so keep watching and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it.
Kitchens are one of the busiest areas in a house. And when you have a small kitchen, unless everything is designed for increasing efficiency, it can make the space look cluttered, taking away some of the joy you experience in interacting with your family and friends while cooking. A well-designed kitchen comprises several features that distract from the size of the area. These include storage, workspace, and an efficient layout, among other things. If you are designing a new kitchen or giving your old one a makeover, these ideas, which include small kitchen ideas on a budget, will help you to get things right. Why open shelves are a good idea for small kitchens. All small rooms benefit from storage as it makes the space look clutter-free and well organized. While closed kitchen cabinets have the advantage of hiding the clutter behind doors, in a small kitchen, open shelves help not only to make the most of the space, but also to give the kitchen an airier feel. You don't need a big budget to fix open shelves to increase storage in the kitchen. Small kitchen ideas. Bright lighting. Lighting is a key element in making a small room look larger by eliminating shadows and dark corners. When designing the lighting for small kitchens, make sure you use a combination of natural and artificial light sources. While there is nothing to beat the refreshing feel of sunlight during the day, remember to install bright LED lights that brighten up countertops and other workspaces at night. Efficient work triangle, an essential in a small kitchen. The layout of a tiny kitchen should allow for comfortable movement within the space as well as easy accessibility to ingredients and utensils when you cook. A triangle layout of the stove, sink, and refrigerator is ideal for improving the efficiency of workflow in a small kitchen. Additionally, ensure that you have easy access to counter space beside the refrigerator and on both sides of the stove for placing things. Vertical stacking. Whether it's installing the clothes dryer above the washing machine or the oven on top of the microwave, this helps to optimize the utilization of space in small kitchens. Try to build cabinets or shelves from the floor to the ceiling so that you don't run out of storage. Small kitchen storage ideas to optimize space. Another solution for making the most of every inch in a small kitchen is to install rails with hooks on the empty walls. You can hang pots, pans, and other accessories from them. This way, you will have easy access to everything and can keep the counters uncluttered. Neutral tones for making small kitchens spacious. In any space, light or neutral shades help to increase the amplitude of the area. In a small kitchen, using white and other neutral colors, such as gray or beige, will bring an airier feel to the room. It's alright to use a bright shade in a small section, so long as it doesn't overpower the space. The importance of organized storage in small kitchens. In any kitchen, and more so in a small one, it's vital to organize the space behind the cabinet doors so that you can find things easily. A clever way to do this in a small kitchen is to install pull-out systems with wire racks inside drawers and cabinets. Similarly, crockery drawers with compartments help to make everything organized so you don't have to rummage through the mess to find a ladle or a whisk. Door design for small kitchens. If your kitchen is enclosed, then the design of the door can make a big difference in the ease of movement within the room. In a small kitchen, where space is precious, having a door that opens inward into space can be a hindrance. Instead, consider installing a door that opens outwards. Alternatively, sliding doors are a space-saving solution in a tiny kitchen. Open layouts for small kitchens. One of the best ways to make a tiny kitchen look more spacious is by merging it with other rooms such as the dining room or the living area. Many modern homes follow this layout, but if your home doesn't, it's easy to achieve this by breaking down a wall. Additionally, clever use of the space by building an open counter that can double up as a bar or installing cabinets that can be accessed from the outer side of the room help to smoothen the workflow in small kitchens. How to increase workspace in a small kitchen. With storage space being prioritized in tiny kitchens, often there is a shortage of counter space when you need to work. Designing folding or retractable counters is an excellent solution for increasing workspace in small kitchens. That way, they can be pulled out when you need the extra space and put back at other times so that the kitchen doesn't look cramped.
Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you have any ideas or questions that we can answer. And of course, subscribe to us if you haven't already.